Hey, I'm Dave, and this is the ReSpooler. So we've all been there, whether you're making a pile of prototypes that you've got to throw away, or maybe you've got some failed prints. The ReSpooler is the solution. This is an advanced piece of technology. It actually heats up the bed to almost 400 C and reverses the printing process. So it takes any failed or unused prints and turns them into a new recycled spool of filament. This is crazy useful for anybody who owns a 3D printer. With the ReSpooler, you can just keep using the same spool of filament. Print, unprint, print, unprint. It's almost too good to be true. If you have a print that you don't want to use anymore, or you were gonna throw away, instead, you place it on the bed in the center, you press this button right here, and it does all the magic for you. It heats up the bed to 400 C and reverses the printing process, turning the printed part back into a spool of filament. The ReSpooler can save you literally thousands of dollars in filament. So it's a crazy good value. Everybody who has a 3D printer really needs one. It's gonna save you time, money, awesomeness, filament, just all those things. It's really unbelievable. It's as if it's printing in reverse. To learn more and to get one now, go to MatterHackers.com. ReSpooler technology is something that will take your prints and turn it back into usable filament. It's really awesome. Thank you for watching. If you liked that, subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with all of our videos. And remember, go to MatterHackers.com to shop for everything 3D printing.